5 o'clock somewhere.
Hello from Citywalk.
So we're going to Margaritaville. We've actually never been there. We've been told that's probably one of the best restaurants here in Citywalk, and it's always busy. You ready?
Yes. But I want to see the store.
Okay, we're going to the store first. But if you're new here,
hello, hi, and welcome.
We are really excited to bring this to you because it's also Mardi Gras season too. So we're going to do a lot of things here at Universal. Really excited. It's windy as heck. I think it's going to be cold.
Yeah.
So it's supposed to rain. Are you prepared? No. Okay.
Never prepared. We didn't even bring the umbrella.
No, but we're gonna learn. Well, enjoy this video, guys. Margaritaville. We are going to film the menu. We got all the margaritas, which you would kind of expect it. I think the watermelon margarita sounds pretty good, to be honest with you. Then you got the ice cold beers. Landstrike Lager is what I believe is manufactured by Margaritaville. You got the boat drinks. And then you have the non-alcoholic drinks as well. Over here you have more of the beers. On the back side, we have our appetizers. And then we have the margarita boat drinks. I can't talk. And then you got the burgers. Then you have the entrees. I think when I was looking at this, I was either debating on jerk chicken pasta or the strip. I'm not sure yet. I think Amber was looking at the club sandwich, which is right down there. And then you have the salads. But look over here at the napkin. It looks pretty cool. I wanted to show you the atmosphere. It's pretty cool. And then you can actually watch one of the concerts. Oh wow. If you look up, you have a whole bunch of different views. It's like a map. Look at how cool this table is. Thank you. This table is really cool. I like the atmosphere. I was not expecting this at all. I think Amber's kind of blown away by it too a little bit. Yeah. She's saying that we pass by this all the time. We've been thinking about sitting here and eating here, and we finally get able to get a table. Are you getting that watermelon margarita? What? I know. We don't drink much in it at all. We don't drink margaritas. Amber does the hard stuff. She does the shot. You forgot to do the shot. Ordered us some straws because these are paper, and so like it's funny because like now we always forgot to bring them, and now we put a whole bunch in our bag. And she's so proud of herself. Better than that paper taste, huh?
It's still paper.
Yeah. It's okay. So this is really tucked away. So when you first walk in, you don't expect this. Then you turn the corner and then pow, pow, It's awesome. You see right behind me, there's fishing poles, as if you're on, like, on a fishing boat.
Yeah. It's supposed to be like, this is supposed to be like a big boat.
Yeah.
I guess like I didn't go into
She's saying, like, you're on, like, a big boat. So did you bring your flippy floppies?
water.
I know. Down below too, you have water that looks like you're like on the water. It's like really cool. And then you have his boat. Over here is where you had the fishing poles and all that kind of stuff. You have a map. You have a mast.
That's Radio Margaritaville.
Oh, you also have Radio Margaritaville on Sirius XM. It's really nifty.
Look all the way up.
Oh, what? Oh, yeah, you are like in the water. That's really cool. So Amber got the jerk chicken pasta. I got without the peppers. She said it's spicy, so I'll be the judge of that because Amber's going to lie. And then I got the fish and chips, and it is cod, so it's going to be really good. I'm excited. Are you excited? You're hungry? Are you glad we stopped there first? 1 o'clock. We had 1 o'clock reservations. They sat us down before, which is really nice. So Margaritaville is playing right now, and this is our fish and chips. It did take about 45 minutes for everything to come out. What we did notice is that a lot of cheeseburgers were coming out and everything else. Amber's pasta looks like it's been sitting there for a minute, but it looks pretty good. It looks pretty tasty. It has chicken, has the pasta, and they said it's very spicy. Oh, it comes with bell peppers, but she opted not to get that. So we'll check in a little bit later as we try to speed up and try to eat as quickly as possible. I got you on camera. So we put a big dent into our food. So what Amber did, she gave me a bite of hers. She's like, oh, this is tasty. It was not. It was spicy. It was, oh my God. Amber, she's from New Mexico. She likes spicy food, but it's spicy to the point where you can't finish it. You can't eat it. It was like $23. So, yeah, she's disappointed. She's been eating my fries to kind of calm her mouth down. She can handle spice better than I can, though. So, no. Well, that completes it. It did take a while for our food to come out. They said it was like Sundays are usually busy. It's Super Bowl weekend.
And they're understaffed and all this. Like,
we get it.
It's okay, fine, whatever. Did take 45 minutes, like we said.
Yeah.
I didn't get to eat all my pasta because it was just like, it was too spicy. So don't get it spicy.
Yeah.
I learned my lesson. We get what, like 10-15% if you're an annual pass holder?
Yeah, 15%. So it actually kind of makes a nice But I don't know. I think maybe try it again, or maybe try a different place, Margaritaville. Maybe not.
Yeah,
just
maybe not
Universal.
on Sundays.
True. Yeah, that would
Come back on a different day.
Yeah, for sure. But guys, if you made it this far, thank you so much. Don't forget to watch the next video up here somewhere and
Subscribe.
subscribe. And we'll definitely see you guys next time. Bye, guys.